Hello folks, welcome back to my channel Rise with Richie. Hope you're safe and well today. This video is about buying the cheap spark plugs for the Honda VFR800. They are on a discount for sale over here in Halfords. So I called Lee Motorcycles to find out what is the price for Iridium spark plugs for the Honda VFR800, and I was told the price was approximately around 27 euros. And I checked the Halfords website. The price over here is around 14 euros or something like that. So there I am in front of Halfords to pick up the stuff. There was a thread on UK Facebook page. The page was, what was the page? I think it was VFR Owners Club UK. I'll put a screenshot over here. I can't recall right now. So there was a thread saying that they are available for a discounted price in Halfords, and hence I'm here. Let's go in and find out if they are available for the same price. I have the trade card from Halfords since I work on motorcycles. It's always good to get a trade card in case if you have a shop or something from Halfords. Okay, let me wear my mask and then go in. Let's see, I hope nobody stops me from logging over here. This is the motorcycle section. And here is the spark plug section. And it says spark plugs which go on this particular bike are NGK IMR9B9H, and so I found one spark plug over here. I'll take this to the counter and ask them for more. Hopefully they have more, and we'll see what is the cost. So guys, I got the spark plugs. The 4 of them costed me only 71 euros and something. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, they were 14 euros 40 cents each. And how come they became 70? Okay, let me just go back and check that. So that was 14.40 after the discount, is it?
No, it was like, I think it was like 18 something, and after it was like 17. No, sorry, it was 16. Then it was 14 something.
Oh yeah, but initially when you scanned, you did not scan my Halfords this thing, and you said 14.40. I'm a bit doubtful right now, because on your website also it said something around 14 euros. But when you scanned here, it's 17.75.
When I scanned, like when I put them in and I used your trade card, that's what it came up. I don't know.
With the trade card, it's more so.
Yeah, with the trade card,
it's more.
It's more. I don't know. I'll try to scan it there. Like actually no.
This is weird. So guys, that was hilarious. So what happened was when he charged the discount through my trade card, the price went up for the Iridium spark plugs, and then the guys were so nice to me. They gave me a 10% additional discount. I paid only 51 euros for 4 Iridium spark plugs for the VFR800. So there we go. That's the number. So that's it. Now you know where to go to buy the Iridium spark plugs for your VFR800. Halfords is the best place. You know, these were the last 4 plugs which were there, which I bought already. In case if you want to buy them, you better hurry up because they are running out of the stock. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who own VFR800s as well. Thank you very much for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.